get ready with me for the day and let's fix my hair. I did wash it the day before yesterday, so this is like my all natural hair. And my hair is like wavy, curly, so I have to brush out all the tangles. I recently got the Bio-Ionic long barrel curler and it has honestly changed my life. And I obviously have a ton of hair, so I just section it and then I start curling like this, and I'll eventually like layer it and do all of those. One thing I love about this curling iron is you can literally roll it up in a second and then you can immediately take it off and it's done. I recently have been going through the postpartum hair loss, and when I tell y'all I have shed like a dog, not even kidding. One question I get asked a lot is if I have layers, and I do have tons of layers in my hair, and I feel like that's what helps it like be more voluminous. When it gets to where it's not teasing good and stuff, I'm like, okay, yep, need a haircut, the layers need trimming. And I usually get asked like what I ask for when I go to get it colored, but literally I'm pretty sure, I usually just tell my hairstylist, I'm like, do whatever you want. But I'm pretty sure I have highlights and lowlights in my hair. I've recently been seeing all over my TikTok people wearing like Velcro rollers, and I just bought me some to try. So I'll have to do a little video when I learn how to do that. Okay, so now that the curling part is done, we're gonna start teasing. My hair does better when it's dirty, so I'm gonna spray some of this Dry Volume Burst all through it. Kinder 25 hairspray and a pick. And I'll just start at the root. I usually start at the back. I spray and then tease. Throw it over, and I'll do 3 sections kind of like that. So I just spray, throw it over, and then 1 more section doing that same thing. And once I do that, I'll just move on to the next part and do that same thing. And I'll do that all across like the roots of my hair. And disclaimer, I am not a hairstylist. I just do like whatever I think works with my hair. And then once I get that done, it's time to throw it all over, and then I do the other side. And it's a hot mess. So then I just throw it all over and try to play with it and get it how I like it. And then once I get it how I like it, I'll go through and spray it all over with some hairspray again. And then sometimes if I'm feeling frisky, I'll spray the Dry Volume Burst in it just a little bit more. But that's it. So super easy, simple in my opinion, but my go-tos are the Kinder 25 hairspray, a pick, and the Dry Volume Burst. They are all amazing. Let me know in the comments if you guys have any other questions or what else you might want to see.